Hi, I'm Ignacio Guardia, Technical Support Manager here at BCN3D, and I'm here to tell you in under 5 minutes what IDEX Technology could do for you. BCN3D was the first company to develop independent dual extrusion technology, also known as IDEX, an extrusion system capable of printing with two tool heads independently in a commercial printer. It all started in 2014 when we saw a YouTube video of two nozzles printed at once. But we realized that a dual extruder over the same tool head could give us some problems. So the following year we released the first commercial 3D printer with independent tool heads, the original Sigma. And the rest is history. Conventional dual extruder 3D printers usually have a series of mechanical axes, X, Y, and Z, position the tool head and the piece that is being printed spatially. E is responsible for the progress of the filament in the extruder. IDEX technology instead allows for this axis to be doubled. A 3D printer equipped with this technology has both X0 and X1 tool heads, two separate extruder motors, and continues to share the Y and Z axis. This makes it possible to print with two tool heads at the same time. Plus, the two extruders are controlled independently, which prevents cross-contamination. So why should you use IDEX? Benefit number 1, multi-material prints. You can combine different filaments in the same print. For example, you can design a part with complex geometries and use BVOH supports to print it. This also means that you can mix and match different colors in the same print. Benefit number 2, duplication and mirror modes. You can play around with the orientation of your printed parts depending on what your needs are. And benefit number 3, productivity. Last but not least, IDEX technology means two printers for the price of one. Double the amount of print heads, double the speed. It is fast, cost effective, and what's more, you don't need to use a large workspace. So let's take a look at IDEX in action. Dr. Nari from Mirai 3D takes full advantage of the color combinations permitted by IDEX in biomodels to differentiate between different parts of the body. World-leading manufacturer Saint-Gobain uses IDEX for tools, jigs, and fixtures all across its production line. Sustainable light fixture manufacturer Yugen produces end-use parts quickly and efficiently and minimizes waste. And of course, we use IDEX technology ourselves to facilitate the production of parts for our very own printers.